Hello, hi to everyone. Myself Dr. Rajendra Chavan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is purely academic and free educational channel. Today's topic is Klinefelter syndromes. It is a chromosomal disorder affecting males. What is Klinefelter syndromes? The Klinefelter syndromes, it is a genetic conditions which cause into the male when some male having two X chromosome and one Y chromosomes. Such condition is known as a Klinefelter syndrome. That means the male having extra X chromosomes, that condition is known as a chromosomal disorder affecting males, that is the extra X chromosome. That means the arrangement is XXY chromosome arrangement and it has Y, that's why this person is genetically males. The most XXY individuals develop as male, often not knowing they have an extra chromosome. Let us see the karyotype pictures of normal male. Here in the pictures is divided into 7 groups alphabetically A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then A groups contain 3 pairs, B group contain 2 pairs, C group contains 7 pairs, D group contains 3 pairs, E group contains again 3 pairs, F group contains 2 pairs and G group contains 2 pairs. This is the autosomous pairs. There are 22 pairs of autosomes and X and Y sex chromosome. That's why these pictures belonging to the normal male. If the pictures having 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of X and Y chromosomes, that is known as a karyotype, that is a pictures of normal male. If the pictures having 22 pairs of autosomes and extra X chromosomes, that means XXY, which appears at the end of the autosomes, then these pictures which belonging to the abnormal pictures, and that is the Klinefelter syndrome pictures. That means the male who is suffering from the Klinefelter syndrome, that means it has an extra X chromosome, XXY. Let us see the pictures. That is, if the person having extra X, that means the total number of chromosomes will be 47. Normally the male has 46 number of chromosomes. So there are the other names of the Klinefelter syndromes is 47XXY, XXY syndromes, XXY trisomy, or 3 plus X chromosomes with Y. This is the other name of the Klinefelter syndromes. History of the Klinefelter syndromes. It was This is the history of Klinefelter syndromes. It was first identified in 1942. By the late 1950s, cause of Klinefelter syndromes was discovered, named after the discoverer, that is Dr. Harry Fitch Klinefelter. In 1942, Dr. Harry Klinefelter and his co-workers at the Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston published a report about 9 men who had enlarged breast, sparse facial hairs, body hairs, small testes, and an inability to produce sperms. By the late 1950s, researchers discovered that man with the Klinefelter syndrome. Dr. Harry Fitch Klinefelter was an American rheumatologist and endocrinologist. In the early 1970s, researchers around the world sought to identify the males having the extra chromosomes by screening large number of newborn babies. One of the largest of these studies checked the chromosomes of more than 40,000 infants. The XXY chromosomes arrangement appears to be one of the most common genetic abnormalities known, that is 1 in 500, 1 in 1000 male birth. Not a lot actually have Klinefelter syndromes symptoms. Many men live out their lives without ever suspecting that they have an additional chromosome. Klinefelter syndromes, it is the state of male hypogonadism due to two or more X chromosomes with one or the incidence of the Klinefelter syndromes is 1 in 2000 live male birth. 82% have classical type and 15% have mosaic type. Remaining are polysomic type of individuals of Klinefelter syndromes. Frequency of Klinefelter syndromes approximately 1 in 500 to 1 in 1000. Extra X chromosome is retained because of non-disjunction event during the meiosis first, that is gametogenesis, and during the meiosis second in female. In meiosis first, that is the gametogenesis, this is due to the non-disjunction occurs when the homologous chromosome X and Y fails to separate and producing the sperms with extra X and Y chromosome. Meiosis 1 gametogenesis, non-disjunctions which occurs when homologous chromosome X and Y sex chromosome fails to separate, producing the sperms with an X and Y chromosome, fertilizing a normal X eggs producing an XXY offsprings. The XXY chromosomes arrangement is one of the most common genetic variations from the XY karyotype, occurring in about 1 in 500 live male births. In meiosis second in female, another mechanism of retaining an extra chromosome is through a non-disjunction event during meiosis second in female. Non-disjunction will occur when sister chromatid on sex chromosome, in this case an X and X fails to separate, and double X eggs is produced, which when fertilized with the Y sperms, yielding XXY offsprings. सिंपली ये है कि मेल में अगर एक्स वाई के बजाय एक्स्ट्रा एक्स अगर है, दैट मीन्स एक्स एक्स वाई टाइप सेक्स क्रोमोसोम अगर है, तो ये इसके वजह से है कि वहां पर मियोसिस फर्स्ट एंड मियोसिस सेकंड में क्रोमोसोम्स सेपरेट नहीं हो पाते. दैट मीन्स इट इज ड्यू टू द नॉन डिसजंक्शन. नॉन डिसजंक्शन की वजह से chromosomes does not separate it during the meiosis and mitosis. So such type of chromosomal disorder which affecting to males, that is the Klinefelter syndromes. Sign and symptoms of the Klinefelter syndromes. Look at the sign. In babies vary by the ages, weak muscles, slow motor development, taking longer than average to sit up, crawl and walk, delay in speaking, quite docile personality, problems at birth such as testicles that undescended testicles. जब छोटा बच्चा क्लाइनफिल्टर से पीड़ित है तो उसके मसल्स वीक होते हैं, स्लो मोटर डेवलपमेंट होती है, इसके वजह से वो खड़ा नहीं हो पाता है, क्रॉलिंग करता है, वॉक नहीं कर पाता, बोलने में अड़खड़ाता है, पर्सनैलिटी क्वाइट और डोसाइल टाइप की होती है, और उसका जो टेस्टिकल्स है अनडिसेंडेड है, which is not found into the scrotum, which is found into the abdomen. Then language symptoms क्या है? Learn to talk late, जो भी भाषा बोलता है वो देरी से बोलता है. Trouble expressing thoughts and needs, उसे अपनी भाषा, अपने अंदर की जो जज्बात है वो बोलने में ट्रबल होता है. रीडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स, ट्रबल प्रोसेसिंग व्हाट दे हियर, जो भी सुनता है वो सुनने में भी दिक्कत जाती है. एंड अदर सिम्टम्स है नॉर्मल सेक्स लाइफ बट कैनॉट फादर चिल्ड्रेन, कभी भी वो फादर नहीं हो सकते. इट इज़ नॉट ए जेनेटिकल डिसीजेज बिकॉज दे आर नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग द चिल्ड्रेन because they are sterile and they produce much less, very less testosterone. In boys and teenage, some symptoms are here. Average आदमी से टॉलर होते हैं, टॉलर देन एवरेज स्टेचर, लॉन्गर लेग्स होते हैं, शॉर्टर टॉर्सो होता है, ब्रॉडर हिप होता है कंपेयर्ड विद द अदर बॉयज, मतलब लड़कियों के जैसे ब्रॉडर हिप होते हैं. इनकम्प्लीट प्यूबर्टी होती है या अब्सेंट होती है या लेट डिलेड होती है. आफ्टर प्यूबर्टी लेस मस्कुलर बॉडीज, लेस फेशियल बॉडी हेयर्स कंपेयर टू अदर टीन्स, जैसे कि फेशियल पर मूंछ आना, दाढ़ी उगना, बॉडी पर हेयर्स होना, ये बातें अक्सर इस प्रकार के क्लाइनफिल्टर्स के मेल में नहीं होती है. टेस्टिकल्स स्पर्म प्रोड्यूस नहीं करती है, स्मॉल पेनिस होता है, ब्रेस्ट एनलार्जमेंट होती है लाइक अ फीमेल, वीक बोन्स उसके बहुत से वीक होते हैं, शाइनेस भी आता है इसे, difficulty in expressing its feelings and socializing, problems with the reading, writing, spelling and math problems is most, and attention problems are in compared to the other normal male, those having a Klinefelter syndromes. If the young ones having the Klinefelter syndromes, such types of symptoms which appears into the main: weak bones, wide hip, sparse facial and body hairs, enlarged breast tissues, decreased sex drives and sex problem, infertility, that means sterile, no produce the sperms, small testicles, small penis, it is taller than the average man, longer legs, physical characteristics of disorders may appear around the time of puberty. Some people with the Klinefelters which consider themselves to transgenders, intersex or transsexual due to having a more feminine appearance or feminine emotions. मतलब जिसे एक क्लाइनफिल्टर सिंड्रोम्स है, जो लड़कियों में क्लाइनफिल्टर सिंड्रोम्स है, वो फीमेल के जैसे अपीयरेंस करता है, फीमेल के जैसे इमोशंस भी दिखाता है, फीमेल के जैसे उसके हिप्स भी बड़े होते हैं, फीमेल्स के जैसे उसके मेमोरी ग्लैंड्स भी बड़े होते हैं. इस प्रकार के जो सिम्टम्स है अक्सर जिस मेन में पाए जाते हैं That means this man is suffered from the Klinefelter syndrome. That means it has a extra X chromosome, that is XXY. Clinical features: abnormally increased distance between the pubic ramus and sole of feet. Lower body appears abnormally elongated, also called as eunuchoids body habitus. Then atrophied testis, testicular biopsy, atrophied hyalinized seminiferous tubus, no spermatogenesis, no sperm production, mental intelligence near normal, lack of secondary sexual character, gynecomastia seen, that means enlargement of breast, then hip, means greater the number of X chromosome, lower is the level of intelligence. It is interesting of Klinefelter syndromes. Analogous XXY syndromes are also known to occur in the cat, especially presence of calico cats. It has a XXY type of chromosomes. A spotted or party color coat that is predominantly white with the patches of two other colors. Often two other colors are orange, tabby and black, or tortoise shell marking in the male cat is the indicator of relevant abnormal karyotype. As such, male cats with calico or torso or tortoise cells markings are a nodal organisms for Klinefelter syndromes. This is the interesting facts which is found into the calico cat. Diagnosis of Klinefelter syndromes. The doctors suspect that the individuals may be double XY karyotype. Diagnosis can be made using karyotype. A karyotype is an analysis of a patient chromosome taken from the blood sample. It is diagnosed during the pregnancy by taking the amniotic fluids. The greater chances to make the Klinefelter diagnoses are in the following times of life: before or shortly after the birth, early childhood, adolescence, adulthood. For males in which the Klinefelter syndrome is suspected, a special blood test is recommended to confirm the Klinefelter syndrome diagnosis. Some facts about the Klinefelter syndrome is that about 10% of the Klinefelter syndrome cases are found by prenatal diagnosis. Only a quarter of the affected males are recognized as having Klinefelter syndromes at puberty. 25% which received their diagnosis at late adulthood. Often diagnosis is made accidentally as a result of examination and medical visits for reasons not linked to the condition. Then test of the Klinefelter syndrome is CVS. CVS means what? Chorionic villus sampling. The, the blood test called karyotype, and it is a standard diagnostic methods. Test look at a person chromosomes, then prenatal testings by or through amniocentesis or CVS, chorionic villus sampling. In amniocentesis, a sample of the fluid surrounding the fetus is withdrawn. CVS is similar to amniocentesis. The procedure is done in the first trimester during the first month of pregnancy. It is important to establish the foundation of the good health, and the fetal cells need for the examinations are taken from the placenta. इस प्रकार के टेस्ट करने से क्लाइनफिल्टर सिंड्रोम्स उस पर्सन में, उस बेबी में है, एक कंफर्म होता है. पहले ब्लड टेस्ट है. ब्लड टेस्ट में कैरियोटाइप देखे जाते हैं. फिर प्रीनेटल टेस्टिंग किया जाता है. प्रीनेटल टेस्टिंग्स एमनियोसेंटेंसिस और कोरियोनिक विलस सैंपलिंग के द्वारा किया जाता है। एमनियोसेंटेंसिस में एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड लिया जाता है। एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड लेने के बाद उसे एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर और द फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी में लिया जाता है। उससे एग्जामाइन किया जाता है, फिर बाद में कंफर्म किया जाता है कि बेबी, ग्रोइंग बेबी, डेवलपिंग बेबी इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम द क्लाइनफेटर सिंड्रोम्स और नॉट। देन इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया जाता है। प्लाज्मा गोनाडोट्रोफिन लेवल इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जाता है। टेस्टिकुलर बायोप्सी इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जाता है। टोटल स्पर्म्स काउंटिंग कितना है वो भी इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जाता है और कैरोटाइपिंग भी किया जाता है। देन ट्रीटमेंट्स है। शुड बिगिंस एट द प्यूबर्टी। अगर उस जैसा अगर बेबी अगर है, डेवलप हो रहा है, तो उसे प्यूबर्टी के वक्त ही उसे ट्रीटमेंट दिया जाता है। कैन नॉर्मलाइज द बॉडी पोर्शंस और प्रमोट द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द नॉर्मल सेक्शन सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स। उसे टेस्टोस्टेरोन की इंजेक्शन देने से या टेस्टोस्टेरोन ट्रीटमेंट देने से डेवलपमेंट नॉर्मल और नॉर्मल सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स डेवलप करने के लिए दिए जाते हैं। फिर गायनोकोमेस्टिया स्मॉल टेस्टिस डज नॉट ट्रीट्स इनफर्टिलिटी, बट इसके वजह से टेस्टोस्टेरोन देने से सिर्फ सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स आप डेवलप कर सकते हो, लेकिन ये इनफर्टिलिटी गायनोकोमेस्टिया और स्मॉल टेस्टिस के लिए ये ट्रीटमेंट काफ़ी नहीं है। बाय 2010 over 100 successful pregnancy have been reported using the IVF। अगर इस प्रकार के आदमी में क्लाइनफेटर सिंड्रोम्स अगर है तो उसे अगर बेबी चाहिए तो IVF इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन के द्वारा वो बेबी पैदा कर सकता है। अदरवाइज ही इज अ इनफर्टाइल और स्टेरिलिटी। देन result of the study on the 87 Australian adults with these syndromes shows who have had diagnosis and appropriate treatments from the very young age had a significant benefits with the respect to those who had been diagnosed in adulthood। IVF IVF पता है उसे बोलते हैं in vitro fertilization। It is the process by which the eggs is fertilized by the sperms outside the body, that means in an laboratory condition, that is known as a in vitro condition। It involves the 3 steps। First step is monitoring the woman's ovulatory process। वुमेन्स के ओवुलेटरी प्रोसेस को मॉनिटर किया जाता है। ओवम को रिमूविंग किया जाता है फ्रॉम द वुमेन्स ओवरी में। फिर स्पर्म के साथ उसे फर्टिलाइज किया जाता है एट लेबोरेटरी in fluid medium। When woman's normal cycle is monitored to collect the naturally selected ovum for fertilization, it is known as a natural life cycle, that is IVF। The fertilized egg zygote is then transferred to the patient uterus with the intention of establishing the successful pregnancy। Epidemiology on the Klinefelter syndromes। इस प्रकार का भी एपिडेमोलॉजी कर सकते हैं ऑपरेशंस के द्वारा। अगर ब्रेस्ट अगर डेवलपमेंट हुए हैं, ज़्यादा मेल फीमेल लाइक दिखाई देते हैं, तो उसे क्या करते हैं, उसे ऑपरेशन के द्वारा नॉर्मल किए जाते हैं। फोटोज ऑफ मेल्स सेवरल सीवियर असिमेट्रिकल गायनोकोमेस्टिया, दैट मीन्स द एनलार्जमेंट ऑफ द ब्रेस्ट। This person having the gynecomastia, that means the enlargement of breast like a female, after liposuction procedure, this breast can be converted into the normal males। Then this is the epidemiology। Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, never miss any update। Please subscribe। Thank you very much।